Are you looking for a way to recover those deleted TikTok messages? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to retrieve your lost messages in TikTok. Let's dive in. Open the TikTok app. Start by launching TikTok on your mobile device, whether it's Android or iOS. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three dots or hamburger menu at the top right corner to the Open Settings and Privacy menu. Request your data, select Accounts, then find and tap on Download your data. You'll see options for downloading your data. Here you can choose to download all data or customize it to just include messages. After making your selection, hit the Request Data button. TikTok will take a few days to prepare your data. Once it's ready, you will receive a notification to download it. Download and access your messages. Go back to the download data section in your settings. Download the file in either TXT or JSON format. Extract the downloaded zip file and locate the folder containing your messages. Alternative recovery methods. If waiting is not an option, consider these alternatives. Ask the other party. If you deleted messages from a conversation, reach out to the third person or other person involved. They can resend any messages you need since TikTok does not delete them from their end. Third party recovery tools. Some tools claim to recover deleted messages directly from your device, but use this with caution as they may not always be reliable. Recovering deleted messages on TikTok is straightforward when you know how. Just remember to request your data as soon as possible if you accidentally delete something important. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy TikToking!